Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today we are going to start with unit number 3, Grandfather's Garden. In today's lecture, we will be covering the section of listening and viewing, in which first of all we will learn some new vocabulary words and their meanings. After that, you will be using those words in your creative sentences. And at the end, we will learn about making requests. So, open up page number 38 and let's get started. First of all, let us learn some new vocabulary words and their meanings. The first word is grandfather. Repeat the words after me. Grandfather. Grandfather is a parent of either your mother or your father. The next word is together. Together. It means with each other. The third word is garden. Garden. A piece of land where flowers and other plants are grown. Sandwich. Sandwich. Two pieces of bread with a filling between them. Study room. Study room. A room in house used for reading and writing. Vase. Vase. Vase is a container for holding flowers or for decoration. Flower beds. Flower beds. An area of ground where flowers are planted. The next word is weekend. Weekend. It is the end of the week. For example, Saturday and Sunday is the weekend. Stay. Stay. It means to live somewhere temporarily as a visitor or guest. Minutes. Minutes. A period of time equal to 60 seconds. So in 1 minute we have 60 seconds. Now write down these vocabulary words and their meanings on a loose sheet. And after that, use these words in your creative sentences.